Here is how you configure the One Switch module. Open the Delphy Automation app. Go to Settings. Tap on Devices. Click on Add Devices. Search for one node switch V2 and tap on the device. Click on Next. Scan the QR code available on the operating manual or type the device ID. After successfully adding the device, click on Next. Go to the phone Wi-Fi and connect to the device Wi-Fi. Click on I am connected to the device Wi-Fi. Click on Next. Connect with Wi-Fi and type in the password. Click on OK and confirm the password. With this, the device is configured successfully. Click on Next. Now assign the device to a room or add a room. You can name the device as per convenience and click on Create Device. With this, your device is now successfully added. Now, go to Devices. Click on the room. You can now find one switch for the appliance that are connected to the smart module. Tap on the virtual switch to turn on or off the appliance. Your device is now ready to use. Thank you for choosing Delphy Automation. For more details, please visit our website www.delphyautomation.com or reach us at 1-800-1020-668. Happy Smart Home!